Yes, you heard it right. I'm opening new seats for my mentorship program. I talked a little bit about it in today's video. This is the second video that I released today, or I don't know if you're going to see it this morning, but yes, I'm opening new seats for my mentorship program if you want my help to scale your Amazon business. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you what you can expect for the mentorship program and how to join. So if you want to join, super easy. There's only going to be one link in the description. All right, so click on that link, book a call with me, and we'll see if you're a fit for the mentorship program. If you want to know how much is it, $99 a month, and you get access to my target list and to Arbitrage Stalker as well when you are on my mentorship programs. No, the reason why it's a crazy deal, okay? It's a crazy deal because you get my help, you get those two things, because these are tools that we're going to use to help you scale your Amazon business. And so what the mentorship program is pretty much is weekly meetings with a small group of sellers, maximum 5 sellers, in which we talk about all the things that I use to source, how I actually source. I give you all the secret sauce of the stuff that I do to sell thousands and thousands of products every single year, every single month in my Amazon business. Okay, I give you the secret sauce, what I look at, what I buy. I give you game plans on some websites, and we talk about advanced strategies, and you have every single day access to myself because you have my phone number. Now, the reason why I'm opening new seats is because at the end of the day, and this is something that I realized, if you realized it in today's video, the reason why is, you guys know, I haven't been really hungry in trying to sell stuff, like stuff from this YouTube channel and all that stuff. And at the end of the day, I do a lot of shit for free. But at the end of the day, all the money that I make from all the things that I sell that are around the YouTube channel are money, it's pretty much money that I reinvest into the community by building tools like Arbitrage Stalker, by building service like the target list, all that stuff, training people. It takes a lot of time and energy, and like all the money that I take from the Amazon business to invest into that stuff, I'm done doing that. I'm done taking money from my Amazon business to improve what's going on the channel, what's going on, all the service and stuff that I build around it. And so if you guys know, you've seen the stuff that I brought to the community. If you guys want more products and all that stuff, I need to charge for more stuff. I need to push this stuff more, okay? And this is why I decided that this coming year, okay, 2025, I'm going to invest way more time into all that stuff. And if I need to invest way more time, I need to make more money. So I have more money to invest into all these products for you guys as well, with all these ideas that I have, to make it way easier for you guys to sell in the Amazon community. And of course, whenever you are in my group program, my group mentorship, all that stuff, you always have exclusive access to this stuff. So the reason why you should join the mentorship program is because you can just look at the results of people that were in my group mentorship, okay? You can look in the Discord server. We have a couple of people that actually cross $100,000 a month in revenue. We have a lot of people making more money than me that were in the coaching programs because they have way more capital than me. They have way more time to invest. I have different projects to work on. There's people doing crazy numbers that were in my mentorship program, okay? So if you go on the page, there's going to be another page, okay? If you go just to chrismangunza.com, okay, myname.com, you actually have testimonials. You can go into the Discord server, okay? Go to the Discord server, go into the success tab, and you're going to see a ton of results from people that I helped in the past. Whether it is when I was doing calls for free every single week on the Discord server, because if you don't know, I used to do this for free every single week with a group of sellers when I did not have a lot of subscribers. Every single Friday we were going live and we were talking about that stuff. You can literally see, because if you look at those live, the replays for the lives are on YouTube. If you go to the live tab on my YouTube channel, you can see calls that I used to do. It's not the exact same that I do with the small group of sellers, but you can see the calls that I used to do for free on the Discord server, and you can see on the left side of the screen the image and the name of the people that were talking with me, because we were talking on Discord at the same time. You can see their name, you can see who they were, and you can see their results on the success tab on Amazon, right? So I'm going to push this way more, and I want to help you. I want to help you to scale your Amazon business way more, and I need to help way more people, and this is going to be my goal for 2025, because the more people I'm going to be able to help, okay, with these coaching programs, the more products and the more services I'll be able to launch for the Amazon community. But I need this, I need to be way more hungry about this, and I need to push it way more. So on the other side, I have more money to invest into all these things. I need way more money for softwares that I'm thinking about, and this goes, the first step for this is me actually pushing those coachings way more. So I want you to join those coaching. I want to help you scale your Amazon business. And by helping you scale your Amazon business, I'll be able to go with way more ideas that I still have. You guys know I have a ton of ideas. You see the things that I brought to the community. I want to help you, and I want to make the community a better place with better tools, and I want to help more people to be successful with Amazon FBA, okay? This was just, 2024 was just the beginning. 2025 is going to be crazy. I'm going to push the coaching way more. And the reason why, this is pretty much the reason why I make, it's a paid service. I did this for free for a long time. I did it. I helped a ton of people. There are still people that I helped for free that still calls me and all that stuff. We talk about it, and they reach some success on Amazon. You can see my track record on the success tab. All right, so there's a link in the description. If you want to join, just book a call with me. Okay, it's free. I'm not trying to sell you on the stuff. You already know the price and all that stuff. You already know that it's $99 a month. You know what you can wait to get. You know the results that I can bring to people, the result that I brought to people in the Amazon community. So yeah, and if you have questions, if you actually want to see people that I talk to, I'm going to interview a few of them probably when I get up. Because as you can see, right now I'm not in Miami where I live. I'm not in Belgium where my family is. I'm in Ivory Coast, okay? I'm actually right there. And usually, you know what? Usually all these things, I really get more hungry when I actually travel like I'm doing right now. When I'm outside of my comfort zone, I realize I need to be way more hungry. Because like, you may not know it, but you really see a lot of people with real money here. And if you're a black person, you better know, like, black people with money are not necessarily in the US, are not in Europe, absolutely not in Europe. And I would just say this, real African with money are here, and you see that, and it's motivating, okay? And so this is one of the reasons I'm way more hungry. Whenever I travel, this is when I get hungry. So this is why you need to travel as well. But yeah, new group mentorship, link in the description, link in the comments. I'll put links, you cannot miss it, okay? Join the group mentorship, you're gonna scale your business, and you are contributing to a great cause, because we are gonna build tools that you'll have access to, tools and service that you'll get access to if you join the mentorship, all right? So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the mentorship, and yeah, I'll see you soon.